Hi all of you, in today's video I am going to show you how to create functions in JavaScript and how to call them as well. Okay, so let's get started. Let me make a new file first. It's time to make a new file, which is my file. It is 37th file. Okay, this is my 37th video, so that's why it's time to make hash 37.html. okay, and now it's time to insert boilerplate as well. Now let me do toggle word wrap to adjust my content in a same page. Now let me write script. First script, yeah, in this I'll make some variables like I will be making all variables using let. Okay, let what can I write, like let me say a, let a is equal to, let a is equal to BMW M5. As you all know that I always take these car names. Okay, let b is equal to uh, let me write like I'm writing in short Lambo Aventador. Okay, Aventador. Okay, now let me write like what will I write? I can write like I am writing I'm making 4 variables, 4 or 5. I think 4 are enough. Let c is equal to anything, AMG AMG GT4. Okay, GT4 63. Okay, now let me write another one like let t is equal to I think GTR is enough. Okay, these 4 brands are enough. Now these 4 cars are enough. Let me make a function. How can I make function? Let me write here function. Okay, function for you all. Let me comment it as well for you all. Now let me make a function here like using function greet. Okay, like greet, function greet, and your here will your function like let me first write like this. Okay, this. Now here I'll write like console dot log, and here like what can write like a is equal to, not a is equal to, like anything, like let me take a plus, let me write a string is fast. Okay, is fast. Okay, let me make space here as well, and let me write here a. Okay, write a, and here I can do like this. Let me make a space like let me call function. The main thing is to call function, like I'm calling here a. Okay, so now it's time to open my live server and check what is going on. Now as you can see that BMW M5 is fast. Okay, why BMW M5? Because I have called this a. Okay, I can also call like this like greet anything like d, and after that like greet uh, like c. Okay, let me see how these are looking now. If I do refresh, now you can see that GTR is fast, AMG G64 GT463 is fast. Okay, why it is not printing that a? It is printing, but yeah, you can see it is printing 3 of them. Okay, so like this you can create a function and call it. If you not call function, it will not print. Okay, so you have to call function to print. So this is your function in JavaScript, and as you all know, I will be implementing all these concepts in my upcoming project. Okay, so that's why I'm just showing you the syntax how it looks. Okay, and I think this is enough for you. Just practice this stuff, and I will be meeting you in my next video.